Hi everyone. We have been receiving a bunch of questions from our users regarding the browser API that we released a couple of weeks back. And people are wondering how one can utilize it to search the internet and aggregate data on the internet and ask questions regarding different web pages or whatever it might be. So I'm going to just focus on giving you a quick tutorial on what is possible with the browsing API in Superagent. A while back, I actually posted a tutorial on how to programmatically create an assistant that has access to the browsing API. I'll post the link to that replit file in the comments, but basically it's super simple. You create your agent, you create a browser tool, and then you attach that to your agent, basically. So that's how it's done. And there are a couple of amazing things actually you can do with this. So I am going to show you how to interact with Hacker News using the browser API today. So the first thing I want to do is that I want to list the top articles based on points on news.ycombinator.com. Show the title and the URL of the articles. Let's run this first. So what will happen now is that the assistant will basically go into the Hacker News website and fetch the articles and then process that based on the actual query that we just ingested. And as you see, it's pretty fast at doing that. And we have some, articles here, and they are organized by the amount of points that we asked it to do, basically. And we have the link and we have the title. So let's say we are interested in this Space Drive app. So what we can do now is that we can actually ask it what this is. So let's ask it, like, what is Space Drive app? So what it will do now is that it will basically go to this URL, read the content, and then give us an answer. So Space Drive is an open source cross-platform file explorer that's written in Rust. Okay, so let's see if that actually is correct. It is. Cool. So let's go back and ask some more questions. As you see, it can basically follow any link that you provide to it, and then all of the following links that it receives, it has access to and can run in the browsing API in order to get access to the content of that file. So that's pretty interesting. So let's ask a question about the repository. So how many stars does the Space Drive repo have? And let's see what it does. So it says it has 22.5k stars. Let's check that. Well, that's correct as well. So this is how you can, create an AI assistant that has access to the internet and can, both basically list stuff, aggregate stuff, create content based on web pages, and a bunch of different things. So I can ask it okay, so could you create a blog post regarding Space Drive? Let's do create an outline of a blog post regarding Space Drive. So it can do a bunch of things, as you might imagine, right? So it's a pretty powerful tool, but the thing is that you need to actually set it up correctly And again, you can check the Replit link for that, and configure it to do whatever it is you want it to do. So, but this was a quick demo of how you can use this API to communicate or ask questions and find information on the internet by just traversing different links on different websites. More on this will also be released later. We have some new features coming up, but this is the basics of it. All right. Thanks. Have a good day. Bye.